a tragic Kuwait fire incident that claimed the lives of 40 Indians, leaving over 50 injured, the Kuwait authorities have arrested the owner of the Mangaf building. Minister of State for External Affairs Kirti Vardhan Singh, who had to rush to the Gulf country soon after the tragic incident, said that some of the bodies of Indians who were killed in the incident are charred beyond recognition. Meanwhile, the Kerala government on Thursday stated that 24 people from the state have so far been identified among those who lost their lives in the major tragedy. Concerning the same, the Kerala government has decided that the Health Minister, Veena George, accompanied by an IAS officer, will immediately go to Kuwait as per the latest update. In the unfortunate and tragic fire incident that sent shockwaves across the nation, at least 40 Indians have died while more than 50 are injured and are undergoing treatment, the Ministry of External Affairs stated. Minister of State Kirti Vardhan Singh, who left for Kuwait at the direction of PM Narendra Modi, stated that many Indians have been charred beyond recognition, making DNA tests necessary to identify the victims. He stated after the bodies of those deceased are identified, their kin will be informed and the Indian Air Force plane will bring the bodies back to their respective families. EAM S. Jaishankar on Wednesday spoke to his Kuwaiti counterpart Abdullah Ali Al Yahya regarding the fire tragedy, who apprised EAM on the efforts being made by the Gulf country and also ensured that the incident would be fully investigated. Essentially, EAM Jaishankar urged Kuwait to ensure the early repatriation of the mortal remains of those who lost their lives, whereas the Kuwaiti counterpart ensured that those injured were getting the requisite medical attention. The fire incident in the 6-story building in Kuwait's labor housing facility in Mangaf started in the kitchen early yesterday and spread rapidly. Nearly 200 people were living in the building, and officials said most deaths are caused due to inhalation of smoke in sleep. PM Narendra Modi reviewed the tragic incident at the high-level meeting, announcing a compensation of Rs 2 lakh each for the families of those killed in the fire.